last minute repairs here. The truck had some engine problem, but it lost light in the flap on the right rear. They had to be putting in the spare this morning. So we're a little bit delayed on the departure. The quad that is out of competition. Peter has left, and we should be gone already. So the first in, they're out. The last in here, still American. Skilton came in at 5 o'clock in the morning. Dispirited. Had something broken on their rear wheel. And they're still here. Of course, they'll just go when the car is ready. Oh, actually looks like the car has left. I don't see the car over there in their front of their truck anymore. So they put it together and he's gone. So he didn't have much of a sleep. Have to drive another 400 miles today.